So we will go ahead and just expand this thing. Okay, so this is because it's x minus 1 squared, so this will be x minus 1 times x minus 1 equal to 4. Then I can just expand this by foiling it, which is x times x, so x squared, x times negative 1, negative x, negative 1 times x is negative x, negative 1 times negative 1 is plus 1, 4, and this is x squared. Now I combine these two terms, that's like term, so that's negative 2x, and then I subtract 4, so I will do minus 4 here because I have to make sure that one side is 0. So now I'm focusing on here. So to do this, first of all, I'm going to factorize the polynomial and find the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, this one is factorable, but if it's not factorable, you can use quadratic formula to compute them. This one is factorable, so that's kind of making things easier. Okay, so the factors of negative 3 are 3 and 1. So the sum of the factors should be negative 2. So therefore, I will make this negative and make that positive because negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Okay. Now, the set the factors to 0, so you can find the zeros of the polynomial. So that's x equals 3, x plus 1 equals 0. And put those on the line. Now we're going to test it. So put them on the line, and negative 3 is right here, and 3 is right here. Because this is bigger than equal to 4, so then the corners are going to have a bracket. So we'll put a bracket on the corners. Now I'm testing it, so I'm going to pick a number bigger than 4. Let's pick 4. Plug it into the main inequality to see if it satisfies the inequality. So if I plug the 4 there, it's going to be 4 minus 1 squared bigger than equal to 4, which this is 3 squared, that's 9, and 9 is bigger than equal to 4, so it satisfies. So then I'm going to take everything here. By everything, I mean from 3 to infinity. So the entire segment here. And then now I'm testing here, testing numbers between negative 1 and 3. So I'm just going to pick a random number here. Let's say I pick, I can just pick 2, right? And then plug it into the equation. So that's 2 minus 1 squared bigger than equal to 4, which this is 1 squared bigger than equal to 4. 1 bigger than equal to 4 is false. So it did not satisfy. So then I don't take anything here. And similarly, I will check the last one. And this last one is, I'm picking a number here, which let's say you pick negative 2, plug it, so negative 2, negative 1 squared bigger than equal to 4. That's negative 3 squared bigger than equal to 4, which is 9 bigger than equal to 4, and that's true, right? So it did satisfy. So then I take everything here as well. Now, when I write my answer or the solution, my solution is going to consist of 2 intervals. One is going to be that green one, which is from negative 1 to negative 1. And then the other one is the red one, union 3 to infinity. This is going to contain all of the solution that satisfies this inequality.